Meanwhile, even as we talk about the metal space, the tariff wars are playing out, and now as the United States is pursuing those tariffs against steel exports as well to the country, we had a chance to speak to Abhyuday Jindal, the managing director at Jindal Stainless, and he feels that the strategy should be implemented in India as well, because Indian manufacturers do not have a level playing field in the global steel market. This is what he had to say.
Definitely we would request, because we don't have a level playing field with our neighboring countries like Korea, Japan, China, Indonesia. We request that FTA steel should be taken out of FTA, and RCEP also, when discussing steel, stainless steel should be kept out.
Right. So there's an overhang on the steel industry, as we are aware about, and in Europe this is the same issue on safeguard duty, importing safeguard duty. What is the price impact on the pre-safeguard duty that you are foreseeing right now?
So in terms of exporting to Europe, there is no change in price because they are working on a quota system. Only when the quota is met, then there is any impact on the price. Till then, there is no duty or there is no impact on the price.
Right. So do you have any exposure to Italy, because it is the biggest importer of India's stainless steel? Any comment on that?
So we definitely export to very high quality countries like Italy, Germany, France, Spain are the major countries that we export to. We are not seeing any kind of dip in sales or any reduction in sales because of that till now.
Right. So increase in raw material prices, is it putting any pressure on your margins right now?
So definitely as the margins increase, but because it is passed through, we can pass it to the customer. There is only a time lag, if I can say. So there is no raw material pressure.
Right. So we have seen a turnaround in the last 3 quarters. So do you expect that to continue, or can it be sustainable for the next future going ahead?
Yes, definitely. We are only continuously working on deleveraging. We are not raising any further funds from the market to expand. Everything will happen through internal accruals. We see great demand coming from stainless steel. All sectors like your railways, automotive, architectural, building construction are growing at almost a CAGR of 7 to 8%. So demand is going to be robust, and company is also in line with that.
Right. Could you throw some light on your expansion plans going forward, considering we're also seeing now the festive season is coming up? So any discounts you would like to offer, or any expansion plans you'd like to talk about right now?
So we are definitely increasing our capacity, looking at the demand, looking at the CAGR of stainless steel. We are thinking of taking a capacity from 0.8 million to 1.1 million in our Jajpur plant.
Right. So considering you are one of the leaders in the industry right now, we've been seeing a significant amount of trade wars going on within countries. So any comment you would like to offer, because the industry like you will definitely be affected in some other way or possible. So what is your thinking on that?
So we would just like the government to be aware of what is happening in the other countries and what kind of pressure it can put on manufacturing. There is a great initiative, Make in India, and we truly believe if they support that and continue to work towards making in India, then all these issues can be taken care of.
You can see much more of that conversation with Jindal Stainless on our website as well. I want to talk to you about Welspun Corporation because